Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting precise facts. Do it now. Note the exact date, time, and location so there's no ambiguity. This anchors the report. Next, identify everyone involved, names, badge or ID numbers, and contact info for witnesses because follow-up depends on accuracy. Also secure evidence immediately, take photos, log video file names, and start a simple chain of custody note. Once done, make sure you lock evidence locations and record who handled items. That protects credibility and speeds later review. Now write the incident narrative. You must be precise and chronological. Start with what happened first, then what occurred next, and finish with the final outcome. This helps investigators reconstruct events. Explain exactly what each guard did, with time-stamped actions and results, because accountability hinges on clarity. Include observed injuries, property damage, and short quotes from statements, then attach witness contact information. Once complete, review for gaps and add any missing timestamps, since consistency prevents confusion later. Finish by completing the formal report and attaching all supplemental evidence. Use the standard incident template so reviewers know where to look. Sign and date the document, then submit it to your chain of command and save secure copies, digital and printed, while noting the exact submission time. If someone disputes facts, preserve all raw evidence and immediately request a supervisor review. That prevents accidental loss or tampering. Finally, follow up within 24 to 48 hours to confirm receipt and address any requests for clarification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.